Good morning, dear students. Welcome in social science class. Dear students, as we all know that we have completed the chapter 21, that was your advertising and democracy. Only the exercise part is left. Rest that we will continue along with the chapter. Next chapter we have unpacking gender, that is the discrimination between the boys and the girls. How our society these days are creating discrimination between boys and girls. Earlier also it was practiced in the society, but earlier it was in very vast manner. Nowadays it is the ratio is less, but still it is brutally discriminated society, we can say that nowadays. Earlier that brutalness was not there, but nowadays the brutality is too much increased these days in the society. So here we have the chapter. The word gender refers to the different values, attitudes, and behaviors that are attached to the roles of males and females by the different social and cultural groups. Social means society, and culture means the religious rituals they are performing in different manner between the boys and the girls. For example, women cook and clean, men fix cars and fly aeroplanes. It's not like that only the men can fix cars and they can fly aeroplanes. The women can also do like these things, and the men can do like the cook and clean the house. But it depends on the mentality and the social stereotypeness of the people in the society. Next, we have the roles of boys and girls in the society. Even as babies, boys and girls are treated differently. In some communities, boys are always dressed in blue and not in pink, as it is considered to be a feminine color. Yes, it is. We are always preferring different dark colors for the boys and light color for the girls, as they are showing the feminine and masculine symbols. Stereotypical gender roles like males are tough and females are weaker sex. It is observed that the male always having the toughness and females they are always becoming a weak. But nowadays it's not like that. The females are also as tough as the boys. They are also taking training in different martial arts and in different areas. They are also getting trainings to defend themselves in such kind of stereotypical scenario. Originate from the roles that are taught during childhood. By the age of 3, the children tend to be aware of their gender. It is true that the boys and girls they know that they are boy and they are girl, just because the information provided by the parents and the family members as well as the society also. They are encouraged to prefer the games, clothing, way of speech, and other aspects of culture usually associated with boys or girls. Males are told boys don't cry. Yes, they are very tough and they do not cry and are given guns and cars as boys. And girls are given dolls and playhouses so that they can play the traditional female homemaking role. Yes, it is given to the nowadays also we are giving them. We are not giving guns and cars to the girls, and we are not giving dolls and playhouses to the boys, although they don't know at the very young age what they are, whether boy or girl, but we people are discriminating between them. The gist of the matter is that girls are told to be soft and obedient, that they have to be uh, listen each and everything, they have to be soft, they have to be kind and obedient. Instead of the boys, they have to be told that they have to be tough and dominating always. So it's not like that. We have to treat them equally. Boys and girls are not different, they are equally nowadays. In this way, the society wrongly ingrains the specific roles that girls and boys are supposed to play when they grow up into women and men. Society and stereotyping. The notion of stereotyping is generally negative because these days the discrimination is again increasing in a very vast manner. It creates discrimination that results in inequality. It hampers the individual's thought, because sometimes if we are not preferring the girl child, or if we are not preferring the female counterpart in office, or we are not appreciating them, then they are somewhere they are lacking their confidence in front of everyone. It is prejudiced, irrational, and based on fear of what is different. It happens, and the female counterpart, they are just thinking that they are less than the boys just because of the behavior they are getting by the different members in the society. Stereotyping of roles has deep roots in the human mind. It may have originated in the early primitive tribes. As they struggled for the control of territory, the physical strength of males was considered very important, but unfortunately, the domination continues even in the modern times as well. In earlier period of time, the females were also treated weak. They are also getting less importance as compared to men, but nowadays also they are getting less importance as compared to men, because some social issues are there, some social people are there, those who are always putting some thoughts and ideas against the women and always criticizing the role of women in the modern society. The effort to create a free, democratic, and rational society wherever everyone enjoys equality, we have to be make such an environment where everybody enjoys equal status in the society, and that continues to be an important political and social issue. Next, we have the stereotyping of gender roles may vary from culture to culture, but the fact remains that most behavioral differences between males and females are determined by society. Only society is responsible for the differences between the behavioral as well as the cultural differences between the males and the females. If we are talking about the foreign countries, there is no difference between the boys and the girls. Everybody is treated equally and they equally getting opportunities in different areas. But in India, still there are some places, there are some designations, there are some portfolios where the girls and the boys are discriminated just because of their gender. Look at the picture here, also gender inequality. Have you seen such kind of image of male that he carrying a load also and carrying the baby also? It's not like that. Only the female counterpart, they have to do such kind of things, and they are only treated less than the boys. So this was we will discuss in the next topic. Tomorrow today we have live class also, then there also we can discuss these topics. Okay, so till then, this much all about, and read chapter also. Thank you.